Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular dash cams, the SUVCON Dash Cam and the OVAMAN K600. In today's video, we will explore their features, specifications, and overall value to help you decide which dash cam is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The first category we are comparing is video quality. The SUVCON Dash Cam records at 1080p across all channels, providing decent clarity for everyday driving. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for front recording, ensuring sharper details and better overall image quality. This difference in resolution may significantly impact your experience, especially in critical situations where clarity is essential. Next, let's discuss the recording coverage. The SUVCON Dash Cam features a triple-channel setup, allowing you to capture footage from the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle. This comprehensive coverage can be invaluable for ensuring safety and security. On the other hand, the OVAMAN K600 is a dual-channel dash cam, recording from the front and rear only. While it still provides good coverage, it lacks the additional interior view that the SUVCON offers. Finally, we will compare the additional features of both dash cams. The SUVCON includes a G sensor and a parking monitor, which can automatically lock video files in the event of a collision. This is a great feature for protecting important footage. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 offers built-in GPS for location tracking and 5G Wi-Fi for easy app control and sharing. These advanced features may appeal to those looking for more connectivity and convenience. In conclusion, both the SUVCON Dash Cam and the OVAMAN K600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The SUVCON is a budget-friendly option with triple-channel recording, while the OVAMAN K600 offers superior resolution and advanced features. Depending on your priorities, either could be a great choice for enhancing your driving safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.